Clarke CWL435 is a 435mm or 17-inch 5-speed benchtop wood lathe, ideally suitable for DIY wood turning in the workshop. This unit features a 435mm capacity between centres and a 254mm turning capacity, making it ideal for turning everything from bowls to spindles. With a powerful 370-watt 230-volt motor, this lathe offers 5 spindle speeds of between 760 to 3,200 RPM, making it ideal for a large variety of projects. Perfectly suited to benchtop use, it features rubber feet for stability. With a durable cast iron construction with tough powder-coated finish, this lathe has a headstock that can take a wide range of faceplates and chucks, which, along with a range of turning chisels, live and dead centres and more, are all available from your local Clarke stockist. An 80mm turning faceplate is supplied with the lathe, as well as a spur drive for spindle turning. The tool rest can be quickly positioned anywhere along the lathe bed, permitting optimum positioning for the task at hand. Standing 855mm long and 380mm high, this lathe is completed with a durable and robust build to ensure excellent performance and reliability. Supplied with a tool rest, 3 hex keys, a headstock spur, tailstock cup center and featuring headstock locking, the Clarke CWL435 will give you many years of service.